Hi, you guys, it's Miss Sanderlin, and I'm going to talk to you about your assignment for this unit. So if you go into your Unit 2 Lesson 6 folder, there should be a folder labeled Assignment. If not, it'll be in your Day 3 folder. Go ahead and click on the assignment folder. Should say Research Assignment right there. You would click on that. I'm just going to open my document. It's exactly the same as the research document you did with our librarian, with the Frank's Hot Sauce versus Pete's Hot Sauce science experiment, except it has a slot for your independent variable, your dependent variable, and then a space for you to plug those into your scientific question. When you do put those into your scientific question, I do want you to highlight your independent variable and dependent variable, just so that I know that you know what you're doing. So just like last time, you're going to use the effect of social media on your brain. You're going to come up with your own scientific question using an independent variable and a dependent variable about social media in your brain. You're going to brainstorm what terms you think might be helpful. You're going to find some synonyms. You're going to search those words. And you're going to expand on the words that might need further explaining. And down here in this box, I want you to organize your thoughts and then use all of that, and we're going to tie it right back to the hypothesis lesson that I taught you, and you're going to use all of that to connect your scientific question to a good hypothesis that could answer your scientific question. If you need help or you need clarification, you can email me or send me a Schoology message and I'll be happy to help.